Hey guys, welcome back. On this week's show, the TRX4 Sport gets some body upgrades. Now before I get going, I just want to run through the accessories with you. The bumper and the tire, they are not 3D printed. They are from that red Jeep toy that I bought a while back. The tire I'm going to be using on the bed of the truck as a spare wheel. And if you're wondering what this is a wooden bed which is going to be placed onto the bed of the truck. Then I have some window nettings with some rear view mirrors. I have a roll cage. I have a roof rack which still needs assembly. Then I have tow hooks that are going to be mounted onto the bumpers and joined up with a bolt. So I'm going to get the body of the truck and let's get to work. That's where we are right now. What I did here is I cut off that little lip, but it is exactly on the line of where the door ends in the plastic body. So I cut it off exactly on the line. I lowered the body posts and I didn't want to lower the rock slider, so that's why I trimmed the body off at that spot. So my rock slider stays at the same height, whereby the body can go down just a little bit. Now all that's missing is a spare wheel. These are from that red Jeep, the RC toy. I placed it on there, looks quite good. I have another set of wheels here. It's a little bit smaller, this wheel, whereby this wheel is a lot bigger. I'm thinking maybe from a size point of view I can fit this wheel. Maybe it'll just look a little bit more the part. On the front bumper I decided to swap out the original tow hooks because I didn't want a different style or a different color. I want them to be the same as on the rear bumper. The winch I also swapped out. Was a bit of trimming necessary to get that in there. I did this because sometimes the tire would actually catch on the corner of the bumper. So I decided to go with a smaller bumper to give me a little bit more freedom. The wooden bed was printed in white and I colored it in with a kind of a brown just to make it look more realistic. But other than that, I think the car is looking absolutely awesome. I just need to figure out how to fix and mount that spare wheel, and then we'll go out on a trail and see what she looks like. I 3D printed this little tire carrier. It fastens up here with 2 screws. It has a hexagon exactly the size of the tire. I'm not really enjoying the look of how I installed this. I'm going to take it out and I'm going to make it sit flush in from the bottom. I think this is a better look. That fits in from the top. It doesn't sit on the top. That looks like it's been cut off. It just looks like it's supposed to be in there. All I need to do, place the tire on and fasten it with a screw. Awesome looking truck, guys. The thing is growing on me more and more and more. Really enjoying the look of this. and enjoying the performance of the lift kit as well. Everything combined just makes this car better than it was when it came out the box. But sadly, time to end. Thanks for watching. Click that notification bell, give me a thumbs up. We'll see you guys next week. Bye.